welcome back to another tutorial. Alright, so today we'll be showing you how to remove this chair from this background the easy way. Alright, so it won't be hard. We're just gonna use two tools from the toolbar to remove this background, guys. Just two tools the easy way. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so you'll know already about the patch tool. Alright guys, so we're gonna use the patch tool first to get rid of this chair right here. Okay, so let's go, guys. So we're gonna just make a selection around the chair, guys. Alright, so we're gonna make a selection around the chair. Let's trace around it. Very easy, very easy, like 1 2 3. Alright, so we made our selection, guys. Alright, we're actually selected. So what you will do, just left click on the mouse and drag to an area that is similar. Alright guys, drag to an area that is similar and just let go. Voila, our chair has disappeared. Alright guys, so we still have the foot of the chair remain. Alright, so what you can do, you can still use the patch tool to remove this, or you can use the clone stamp tool to remove this, guys. Alright, so what you'll do with the clone stamp tool now, you will hold down alt to select the area that you want to clone. Alright, so the area that you want to clone, and you just whoa, where is that chair leg? Oh my. Alright, so right, do that again right here, and it magically disappear, guys. Alright, so and to even tidy it up some more, you can use back the patch tool and just do a simple trace around where the chair foot was. Let's do a simple trace, and just drag it and let it go, and voila, your chair has disappeared, guys. The chair disappears. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel.